by Armani Casa. This is another beautiful model unit, 3 bedrooms plus a den, service room and 5.5 bathrooms. This is a C mode, a flow-through unit with double terrace.
All custom furniture from Italy, Meroni and Colsani.
A sleek kitchen, Armani design with a custom glass island.
Two private balconies overlooking the ocean and the intercoastal.
Impeccable master suite, custom-made furniture for this beautiful master facing the ocean. The furniture is completely original Art Deco, very special pieces, and also the closets are custom made.
This residence is designed by Interiors by Stephen G.